Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Glory. She's pretty well squared up. I admit I'm actually a little tilted back because I just could not get it completely right. Side to side going this direction, we're good to go though. I got it pretty well perfect. It is a stiff cart, I will say. I got some very uneven floors, and if I put it over here in this hole, I can make that rock. So we'll check and make sure it is the hole. See, I can make it rock this way too. So it's not just because I have it crooked or something like that. So regardless, it seems very sturdy to me for the price especially. I am definitely going to do some more painting and customization on it, throw some stickers on it, and one of these days you'll know why. You've already guessed it. Go ahead and put a comment below. I'm just curious to see if there's very many people that know why I did the green and blue colors. So, one of the big things on this one, I would definitely say put those front and back rails on second. And it doesn't really matter, but make sure that the side rails are underneath, kind of. And I might even be able to, if I would have thought about it a little bit more, lift those up to their highest point. I would probably take, here I'll show you. Hopefully you can see this down here. Maybe see if you can bring this up. But there's pretty much no gap along here. There's a little bit of a gap. There is a little bit of a gap down there, but not hardly anything at all. So I'm pretty happy with it. As far as the top, it definitely is a bit stiff. So hopefully that's gonna, get a little easier. But you can just let it go and let it raise itself. Anyhow. Up. For the price, yet again, that's what you got to think about when you're buying these kind of things. I mean, you can buy more expensive carts that won't do as much as this one will, or hold as much as this one will, or come with as many things as this one will. So, for a homeowner especially, unless you've got... Thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and I'm a master of none. You all have a good one.